Hello students, in the fifth lesson we are introduced to the world of animals. We can divide the animals into two groups. First one is egg-laying animals. Second one is birth-giving animals. Today we will do the topic egg-laying animals. Dear students, some animals lay eggs. These animals are called oviparous. These animals are crow, ant, quail, parrot, fish, and snake, etc. Dear students, let's learn some interesting things about these animals. First one is crow. Students, the female crow lays 4 to 5 eggs and incubates them for 18 days. Second one is ant. Do you know, students? The queen is the only ant that can lay eggs. Next one is cow. Interesting fact about cow is that the common cuckoo does not make a nest of its own, and they do not bring up their own young. Instead, the female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds. Number 4 is parrot. Students, parrots typically lay 2 or 8 eggs at one time. Number 5 is fish. Dear students, most fish release thousands of eggs, scattering them in the water, where the male fish fertilize them. And the last one is snake. Students, 70% of snakes lay eggs, and these types of snakes are called oviparous. Dear students, let's revise what we have done in mind mapping. So, egg-laying animals are crow, ant, quail, parrot, fish, and snake, etc. Dear students, now it's time for your homework. So, your homework is you have to write 6 egg-laying animals.